Yeah, what's up?
Alright, he just told me come with him, man. Let's go. What the business is, y'all? Y'all know what it is. I'm gonna go ahead and bring y'all one of these flatbed videos, man. I'm gonna try to do this shit every day though, because I did go live last night, and one of my guys, I think it was Chucks and Trucks. He told me, man, give us more of that flatbed shit, cause I think he said he drive vans, but he thinking about flatbed. I'm gonna show you how it is around here, man.
Black, a black man. Yo, what up, black, black man. Yo, I'm proud of you, brother, man.
Alright, where's the paperwork at? Where the paperwork at? Time code. So I'm guessing it's all let me see. Yep, these two. Sign this shit. Alright, man. Let's get all my shit. Gotta put that on. Can't forget the vest. I look good in orange, man. Boom. Take the slides off. Gotta look professional. Gotta put the steel toes on. It's about time for me to throw my trash, y'all know, okay? Get the gloves, let's go, bro.
You find another plan, they cut it off and you say you got another hand. They cut it off and you say you got another leg. Man, running a quick sprint, they tell you that you can't do it, you say get bent. You about to pitch a tent, you about to build a fort, you about to get a brick.
Yeah, man, I got some, I got shingles on me today. I didn't show y'all me picking it up. I need to do a little better with my content, no lie. I got y'all though from now on. I picked up shingles the other day. I sat on them over the weekend. So I picked them up Friday. Picked them mugs up Friday and shit like that. Oh, I'm in White Pine, Tennessee right now. Dropping this load off. I don't know where I'm going after White Pine, Tennessee. Hopefully I get routed through the crib though, so I could go see my woman and shit like that. Cause like I was telling y'all niggas on live last night, shit, the hardest part for me being out here is really just being away from family, being away from my woman and shit like that. That's really the hardest part for me. So other than that, I mean, I love driving trucks, so it ain't really, don't nothing really fuck with me. It ain't really nothing hard about getting out here and driving trucks, you feel me? You got some folks that, you know, they get on here and complain and shit. Hey, all power to them. But we ain't built like that around here. You know what I'm saying? We gonna keep it all the way 100. And we ain't built like that. Niggas gotta love what they do. Instead of getting into certain shit for like a money grab or whatever the case is. I don't know what niggas be having going on, bro. But this ain't that over here. Yeah, man. We having too much motion over here. We loving what we doing over here. And okay. Shit, y'all let me know. Y'all let me know if y'all fuck with this type of content and y'all wanna see it more. I done heard from a couple folks, but if I ain't heard from you, comment down below and let me know, you heard me? And make sure y'all like the video coming in if y'all fuck with this shit, you feel me?
Other dudes did it slow and you did it quick. Other dudes did it foul, you did it legit. You be getting funky on them suckers, I'm feeling the scent. Let it air out, give them the vent. Everybody wanna see you fail, they feeling the burn. You tell them it's your turn. You been on it for a minute, this is your earn. You been on it for a minute, this is your score. Kept your mind on the grind and your money in the floorboards. A black man, yeah. A black man, yeah. A black man, yeah, I'm proud of you, black man. A black man, yeah, a black man, yeah, a black man, yeah, I'm proud of you, black man. You in a dog fight, you doing really good since you did this all night. Black man, I see you in a tight space. and they wonder why you always got a straight face. Black man, I see you with the gold grill, big chains, big rims on the old whip that is so ill. Go ahead, black man, I wanna see you win with that ill black tan. My brother, my keeper, this is for my people. I ain't got an ego, my G, cause I see you. Listen and believe me, my G, hey, we need you to feed all the people the knowledge that they seeking. Black man, Egyptian, and African, you ain't even know that. Don't forget you got a throne, brother. I rock with you, you ain't never on your own, brother. I love you, a black man, yeah, a black man, yeah, a black man, yeah. I'm proud of you, black man, a black man, yeah, a black man, yeah, a black man, yeah. I'm proud of you, black man, black man. I'm proud of you, black. You're an entrepreneur, you a go-getter, you a hustler, you a father, you a brother, you a family man, you a leader, you a hero, you a superhero, you at the top of the class. Tip your crown, brother, I see you, my brother. Oh, one more thing, black woman, I love you, black woman. You're beautiful, black woman. Keep being black, black woman. You glow, you shine, I'm yours, you mine. You beautiful, you fine. Good Lord, oh my, black. I get off with the mitts off, dawg, and you don't wanna see me pissed off. No, get the trippin', I'ma give y'all pause. I'm a cool dude, I don't like the brawl, but you don't wanna test my G's. You don't wanna stress or press my G's. Really, dawg, none of y'all impress my G's. We ride till the wheels fall off to get cheese. Any minute the tide could turn, you get burned. Every minute you ride for yearning, they gotta learn. If I eat, then everybody eat, we gotta earn. If they don't like to see the success, it's our turn. My guys will ride by my side, I ride for all of my guys, that's no lie, cause ain't nobody playing with it. Nowadays they always got me staying with it, and that's for real. I count on me, never really wait and I don't really sleep. It feels like bricks when I'm laying on sheets. That's so deep, this hill so steep. It's you against them and it's them against we. It's you against them and it's them against we. I bet we ride till the wheels fall off. I bet we ride till the wheels fall off. Got my partner with me, rolling with me, stick with me like glue. Got my rocket with me, just in case you try to bust a move. Got my head down, even though I'm peeking through the roof. Got my head down, even
Village
though
boy.
I'm peeking through the roof.
He ain't with me from the jump, I ain't fucking with him. He ain't fit to wear the shoes, I ain't running with him. Put him over on the block, had a bucket with him. Started running from the cops, now he running with him. I ain't merging either way, I'm in my own lane. Every day's a new day, I'm from the old gang. If I'm smoking with my dogs, I'll roll a whole ace. Till we feeling no pain off this propane. Only move that I'm seeing is the money. Baby voice to the killer stomach. I hear it count hundreds, I get it off the block like I'm drumming. Only be at parties on the block, cause I ain't in the clubbing. I just wanna get it with my dogs. Homie, watch you count 100 milli, got me feeling like a god. I'm getting real familiar with the yards, and this one for my cousin and my homies doing burpees on the yard. I do this shit for y'all.
I count on me, never really wait and I don't really sleep. It feels like bricks when I'm laying on sheets. That's so deep, this hill so steep. It's you against them and it's them against we. It's you against them and it's them against we. I bet we ride till the wheels fall off. I bet we ride till the wheels fall off. Got my partner with me, rolling with me, stick with me like glue. Got my rocket with me, just in case you try to bust a move. Got my head down, even though I'm peeking through the roof. Got my head down, even though I'm peeking through the roof.
When it rains, it pours. What's more messed up, it's gonna rain some more. Pain galore. But my dudes are the type of dudes that's gonna sit in the rain with you. Feel the pain with you. You don't know the issue. Family be the main ones who forget you. Scalpel, slit you, cut to the core. It's generational, we're descendants of war. The feeling's so raw. But you don't even know I was lost in the mind till Thonio told me get lost in the grind. Nigga told me that I had too much salt in my brine. It's okay to let go, cause your thoughts are divine. These the ones I'm gonna call when I'm caught in the bind. When I open up my heart, I get lost in the rhyme. If you need anything, it's no longer just mine. If you need me to rise, then you know I'ma ride.
I count on me, never really wait and I don't really sleep. It feels like bricks when I'm laying on sheets. That's so deep, this hill so steep. It's you against them and it's them against we. It's you against them and it's them against we. I bet we ride till the wheels fall off. I bet we ride till the wheels fall off. Got my partner with me, rolling with me, stick with me like glue. Got my rocket with me, just in case you try to bust a move. Got my head down, even though I'm peeking through the roof. Got my head down, even.
Hey, do I have to fill out the date and time of arrival? Okay, cool. Shipper copy, customer copy.
Well, they got you recording it now.
So what now?
Well, they do record it, unloading it now.
Oh, I got a YouTube channel. So
Oh.
so I like to record. Yeah,
Oh, okay.
that's all it is.
I didn't know. I seen that. I'm like, dang, they recording it now.
Nah, that's me. That's me. But all right now, you have a good one.
Hey, black man. Yeah.